Stop scrolling and look directly at what is happening on my screen right now. Fresh Adsterra earnings, live payment confirmations, and automated daily revenue updating in real time. This is not a static picture, and it is definitely not luck. This is the daily performance of the Adsterra loading method, a fully automated system that gives you a 100% earning guarantee from day one, delivering a minimum of $100 in profit every single day. Let's talk about how easy this is to run. First, you do not need an expensive, high-specification computer. This lightweight bot is engineered to run smoothly on any basic, ordinary laptop or PC you already own. Second, you can completely ignore the stress and expense of web development. You don't need to buy domains, build websites, or pay monthly hosting subscriptions. This entire strategy operates directly using your Adsterra direct link. There are zero hidden fees, no monthly charges, and no additional investment required after you get started. Full lifetime access to the entire method and automated bot is available for a simple, one-time payment of $250. To ensure fast and secure global transactions, I accept Binance, USDT, and Payout. I know the internet is full of fake screenshots and edited videos, so being cautious is completely fair. That is why I operate with 100% total transparency. If you have even a shadow of a doubt that these numbers are real, message me right now. I will gladly hop on a live AnyDesk session with you, log into my real Adsterra account, and refresh the browser right in front of your eyes. My name is Adam and Froy. Stop waiting on the sidelines while others build real daily income. Send me a direct message right